Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Pan Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Tampa, Florida, in Carolwood Springs, which is North Tampa. I got two trainees with me today. I got Hashem, that's on the gun right now, and I got John. They're both from about like 45 minutes away from where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? So they came out to train with me today. We got a couple of jobs on the schedule. First one here is the infamous pool deck and pool screen. Next job, we're gonna be doing a whole lot of flat work. And the third job for the day, we're gonna be doing a dock, and we're gonna be washing a boat. Believe it or not, a boat, yeah. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all checking the videos out. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I appreciate all y'all support, man. So we starting here right now. We're just gonna wet down all the grass. Make sure we don't kill anything, even though it rained last night and all day yesterday. So you know, you just want that protection right now. So let's see what these guys got going on. This is Hashem on the gun right now. Just wetting down the grass. Yep, there you go. Make sure you hit both sides of each beam. All right, so if you're walking that way, clean that side. Be careful so it don't drip on you. That's why I like to go backwards.
Okay. So go find the furthest spot and then...
Yeah, I just go backwards, yeah, because then you don't have to walk underneath it. All right, guys, so we're getting the rinse on out there. Rinsing from the outside before we come on the inside. Very easy process, man.
You keep going through your normal stud?
Pretty much, yes.
Oh, you use that? Or I thought you just used
The ball valve?
Yeah.
You can use either or.
Which one is better?
I mean, I use the ball valve just because it's easier on your hands, so you don't have to squeeze the trigger.
You want me to rinse like
No, you good. I was telling him, using the ball valve, you don't have to use the trigger. You know what I'm saying? Get your hands fatigued. Yeah, but you can use either or. Yeah, I just noticed that. Yeah, everybody got the same color.
Yeah, so it's probably a humidity thing.
See, the white ones, they do get oxidized, but I think it takes longer.
Okay. White for cars is the worst.
Yeah.
Those are the ones.
He needs some milk.
guys, got the deck done. Got the cage done. It wasn't that bad anyway, but it was a good practice for the guys. You know, these brown cages, man, I don't know. I like doing the white ones. You can see the dramatic effects on those. On these ones, you can barely tell. And most of the times I do these, they're oxidized. But I think I just saw this homeowner here on the roof cleaning. So this roof here is only 3 years old, believe it or not. Let me go show you guys the front. They live on a golf course, as you saw. So, and they got this big tree here. Look at the streaks on this roof, y'all. 3 years old. So we're gonna come back and get her on the schedule for roof cleaning and also gutter cleaning, especially in the back. All right, we're gonna pack it up, guys. We're gonna go to the second job. Actually, we're going to her daughter's house, the next subdivision over. Give her a quote at her place, and when we finish, we're gonna go to the second job. All right, guys, see y'all when I get there. Camera, man. Man, my customer came through in the clutch, but you see these? Look at that. I got 2 of them. That's what I'm talking about, man. Oh, that's dope. Oh, man, I'm loving this right here, man. Man, that's dope. I'm happy, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. All right, guys, we're at the second job for the day. We're in Lukes, Florida. We're here for a big concrete sidewalk cleaning, corner lot. Customer only requests to get her sidewalks done and just the pool deck, but she doesn't want no SH to be using the pool deck. So, you know, we had to have the whole talk about, you know what I'm saying, the benefits of using it. I got the guys out here. We're gonna jump on the sidewalk first, knock it out. We're gonna pre-treat the sidewalk, it's pretty dirty, and then we're gonna surface clean it. So we're just wetting down the edges of the grass right now. I'm recording. So we're just gonna wet the edges of the grass, and I got John applying the mix just to loosen up the algae. The customer does need to get this driveway done. I mean, it's pointless to me just to do the sidewalks and not the driveway, but that's what they requested. All right, man, the guys are doing a pretty good job. Almost done with the sidewalk. We cleaned all the way up to here. As you can tell, clean side, dirty side. I think we got like maybe 3 squares to the property line. And we'll be done with that. We're gonna be doing the deck back there. But here comes the sidewalk here. We're gonna put a little light layer of post treatment on there. Let me show you guys the back side over here where we started earlier. It's drying up nicely. As you can tell, we have no lines whatsoever. Concrete is looking good. Yes, sir. If you haven't yet, man, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you comment below. You know, if you got any questions, let me know, man. I want to help everybody out. So We're gonna keep on working. We got one more job after here. Probably grab some lunch, maybe a couple of drinks. You know, refreshments. It's kind of hot out here today. Oh yeah, y'all see the gloves? I got gloves on today, man. Got me some, I like these gloves. They're 7 mil gloves. I got them from Amazon. Very durable, man. I've been wearing this all day. I'm able to use my phone and everything. Usually the gloves, you can't use your phone with it. I like these, man. They work with the phone, and they haven't ripped yet all day, so good investment. This is the pool deck here. Got light algae on it. Nothing crazy, but the customer don't want no SH to be used. So what do? You just educate the customer and let them know, you know, the benefits of using the, you know what I'm saying, the SH to kill the algae. You know, it's gonna come back faster if you don't. But if they don't want no chemicals to be used, you can use no chemicals and let them know how the job's gonna turn out. But I do not let them tell me what chemicals to use. Instead of using the SH, you know, they tell me to use, if they say use, what's that, 30-second cleaner from Home Depot, something like that. Nah, I don't use that. Either I use what I got, or, you know, I use none at all, because I can't guarantee my work with those other products. All right, man, we're almost done with the job here. Everything's going along great. I had the guys knock out the pool deck for me. We got one more job on the schedule, man. One more job. So probably got another 10 minutes left. We're gonna wrap up, man. Appreciate y'all rocking with us. Make sure you hit the subscribe button now. All right, guys, we're at the third job for the day. As you guys know, that's my normal customer. The house that was on Netflix selling Tampa. They put a nice little putt golf putting green right here. It's pretty cool, man. I wasn't here last time I was here, but and that's some cool stuff. Got the pool over there. Nice house on the water. We're gonna knock out this dock form. No chemicals are needed on the dock. You want to do no chemicals, man. Protect yourself, or they will come and get you. Just play it safe. We're gonna blow off all this. You got some green stuff on here. Clean that up for them. Pollen is falling down here in Tampa. Got some bird poop, of course. This is the green area he's probably talking about. So you got some green over here on the floor, along the edges where it drops from the roof. But nothing too crazy, man. We're just gonna hit it with the white tip. White tip shouty. That's what they're gonna call us after we're done with this. I got John with me. All right, man, this is our view for the day. Makes you want to dive in, don't it? Oh, he wants us also to spray off this boat foam, so we're gonna use the ball valve. This is, I got some pollen and stuff right here. Right there. We would soft wash this, but we can't use no chemicals, so it had to be water, man. All right, guys, so John is knocking out the dock. We already cleaned this section over here. This section is cleaned up. Oh, I took their chairs over there. So the white chair and the other chair over there, I soft washed them for them, you know, leave it clean. They had some algae on it, but the dock is cleaned up on this side. I wish we could use a surface cleaner, man. I know some people use surface cleaners on these. I don't, man. I don't know, man. I'm kind of scared. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little scared. So that's why I've been using surface cleaner on a composite dock. You should be able to, because it's not regular wood, but I can't bring myself to do it, man. This side right here is more filthy, has more algae. That's the side he's doing right now. I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, well, we thought we were done, but they want this fire pit cleaned up. We're gonna soft wash it, soft wash the cushions with a 3% mix, and you know, get the floor cleaned up. Got a little debris on there, but nothing crazy. I'm gonna pick the debris up first, so I don't have to fight it. All right, we're gonna rinse the front of the house where the buildup is. He always get a lot of cobwebs over here on the corners, so we're gonna knock those off on. Make sure you rinse the window. Really good. All right. Just a little, you know what I'm saying, something extra we're doing for him. We did the boat, rinsed the boat back there, did the dock, did the fire pit for him. And we're gonna knock this little section right here for him in the front and get rid of the cobwebs. Nice day today, man. Nice cool day out here, man. I had John and Hashem with me training. They did a fantastic job. They're ready to go, man. Now put it on a soap tip, the big tip, and then rinse the plants down underneath here. Put it on that one. Yeah. All right, lock it in. All right, just rinse the plants down. All right, man, we all done for the day. My man John knocked out 3 jobs with me. So how did it go, man?
Yeah, it was crazy, man. Thanks for all the training. It was awesome.
Yes, sir. My man in the Riverview, Florida.
Yes, sir.
Veteran over here, too.
Yeah, man. 14 years.
14-year veteran, man. Thank you for your service, man.
Absolutely. Thank you for your help.
Yes, sir, man. So with that said, I'm going to catch you on the next one, man. Peace.